Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Question on a CL11, a touch latch, sure.
Let me tell you my application. So what I have is a glass door, and when it's in closed position, opposite of the hinge side, the leaf side, it's at a 90 degrees to a different piece of glass. Okay, so I got a glass wall, 90 degrees of that is the opening to a pivot door. What I'd like to do, what I'm trying to do is not have any hardware on the door, meaning like a handle. So I want the door will close in the correct position, but when I open it, there's no way to grab it. So what I'd like to have is like a touch button, like when you're a push latch, where you push it a little bit and it pops it open enough to grab the door and open it. Does that make sense?
Sure.
Now, I saw on one of your websites or on your on a YouTube video, and they referred to a couple pieces of a couple different ones. Because it's the C11, along with, which I'm not quite sure works for me because it's got that T-shaped hasp on it that I don't want to attach to the door. Does that make sense? Is there
yes.
Hold on, I'm trying to find the other. I want to say it's a CL14. Hold on, no. C11 or 14. Also, when I looked at your website, I'm not seeing the part. It didn't come up.
What part?
I didn't see the C11 latch pop up. I have C11.
If you type in CL11, it comes right up.
Oh, okay. Let me try it again because I put all the Ives commercial CL11. Didn't pop up. Oh, okay. Here we go. Got rid of all the trash, and now it's going to find it. Is there another device that doesn't have a part that sticks to that is attached to the door side and just like kind of a push button or a push latch on that I can put on the jamb basically?
Not that I can think of. You want a part on the jamb only and nothing on the door.
Yeah, because the door will stay in its closed position on its own.
Probably because of the biased hinges.
That's correct.
Well, I mean, you could install just a touch latch.
That would be strong enough to open a door rather than like a cabinet one?
How heavy is the door?
Well, the door's not, I mean, it swings very easy. The tension, I can't imagine the tension is more than 10 pounds, you know what I mean? 15 pounds. I mean, it's light. I would imagine it's light, you know? So, and again, all I needed to do is open it enough to be able to stick your fingers in there and grab it, which is...
Yeah. How are you going to attach this material to glass?
Well, no, that's why I'm trying to get away from the C11, the CL11. If there was one what I can do is up on the header, I can fasten it to the header. So it's in the top right corner of the door. You know what I mean?
How tall is it?
The door is 94 inches tall.
Yeah, I would certainly be nervous pushing, at 44 inch, let's say, and you 50 inch above you, where that glass is going to be tempted to twist.
Yeah,
unless it's like 3/8 or something thick.
It's half inch and it's tempered, so I mean it's not this thing's you can drop it and it's not going to it ain't going to break.
Well,
it'll break.
I don't know that. I'm just saying I would be concerned.
Yeah. No, I hear you. I
appreciate
appreciate your input. Sure.
Yeah.
So I saw another one on here and it said an assistant. It assists that. Now I try to go back to this video that I saw it and I can't seem to find the portion of the video.
Yeah, that's a CL14.
Oh, the CL14. Let me put that in to see that.
Yeah.
CL14. Yes. So that's just like it says. It assists the in case it needs more push. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, the pictures aren't popping up on here. Just CL14. Let me push her. Let me go put this on Google and see if I can find a picture of it.
CL14. When I searched that in the site, go to. Oh yeah, when you search CL14, the first 4 items are show pictures.
CL14.
Yeah.
Yeah, for some reason the pictures aren't popping up. I see all the information. Let me refresh it.
I don't see that helping at all because without something attached to the door, the CL14 is going to prevent the door from going closed.
Oh, so it doesn't have a set like it doesn't work like a push. It doesn't act like a push latch.
All it does is push. Without something to
constantly is what you're saying.
Yeah,
it constantly pushes.
Yeah,
I got you. Now, what about a push latch? Let me ask you this: on the CL11, if I did not attach the receiver, the clip piece, the T-shaped piece, would that mechanism act like a push latch, or it
not
has to lock or locked into it to hold it? I'm sorry.
Yeah, it wouldn't work at all. You need that strike.
Oh, that I got you. So so basically that locks the door against the closer, and then when you press it, that 3/16, it unlocks it and allows it to open.
Exactly.
So, do you have any ideas for anything that acts like a push latch without, and there's no need for the magnet because it always has tension, like on a cabinet?
Yeah, so there's lots of little touch latches that'll work. There's one that is in the site that's going to be pretty. Yeah, let's go here. Pull up in front here. I'm in a taxi.
Okay.
So.
And you're working mobile for sure.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. If you were to search in my site for St. Louis, just like the city, and spell out St., this is going to be a massive piece of hardware that's meant for heavy doors. And it will be a touch latch. You won't need an auxiliary pusher with it. Now, when you see this, it comes with a bottle of Bayer aspirin because of the cost. But there will be
comes with a what?
There will be a bottle of Bayer aspirin because of the cost. But it's representative of the. Yeah, go right up here to the sign, Equinox Hotel. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, right here. Yeah, I guess turn in, but I can walk in. Yeah, right here is good. Yeah. So that touch latch is representative of the concept so there will be items that are much smaller that will look like that.
Mm-hmm.
No cash. I don't have cash.
This came up with the MS SLRHAT NFL. It's coming up with the logo. I put in St. Louis in the search bar.
Juice.
LOUIS. Oh,
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, it didn't come up.
Yeah.
SAINTLOUIS.
Yeah, 2 words.
SAINTLOUIS. Oh, here we go. Picture's still not coming up, so I'll do this. Let me do this. Over here.
Oops. I'll just get in there. Now, if you want, you can send me an email, and I'll reply back with a link to it. My email's under Contact Us.
Okay, hold on one second.
Yeah, I put credit. Speaking of expensive, just this taxi ride.
Are you in a taxi or an Uber?
A taxi. I don't like standing at an airport waiting for an Uber.
Yeah,
No,
what
I don't
city are
need
you
a
in,
receipt.
right?
No receipt.
What city are you in?
New York. Thank you, sir. I'm going to grab my bag. Thank you. You stay here. I'll grab my bag.
You'll drive
I'm
off.
in Manhattan. Yeah, no, they will. They will.
Damn right they will.
$17 from Newark. Yeah.
Let's see. I'm sorry. Subject is going to be catch latch. What's your email address?
Sales, S-A-L-E-S, at A as in architect, same as the website, absupply.net.
AB Supply?
.net. Is that? Nope, this is not it.
All right, it's off.
Yeah, awesome. I will get it. I'll work for a couple hours tonight, and I'll reply back with a link and then some other stuff that's not so expensive. But if
if it works, I'm going to buy it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, if you've got an 8-foot-tall door, the cheaper stuff is going to be meant for an IKEA piece of furniture.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to do that. No, I mean, listen, the glass is $12,000. You know, I'm not worried about it.
Yeah.
You know, appropriately, whatever that costs. If it was $1,000, I'd choke, but, you know.
Equinox, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense. Do it once and do it right.
Yeah. No, that's the only way I know how to do it. So, okay, well, get back with me when you can, okay? Enjoy your trip.
Oh, thank you very much. I promise a response by the end of the day.
Thank you very much. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.